Good morning, students. Take page number 29. In that you have two quick tips. A single page spreadsheet is called a worksheet. Okay. A single spreadsheet is called as worksheet. A collection of worksheet is called a workbook. A single spreadsheet is called a worksheet and a collections of worksheet is called as workbook. Control plus semicolon is the shortcut key to add the current date in a column. So if you keep the cursor in the cell and then press Control plus semicolon, then the current date will appear in your column. Okay, then the current date will appear in your column. Take the next page. Skill time 4. Create a pivot chart. Creating a pivot chart. Chart is a visual representation of the data. Chart is a visual representation of a data. You saw how Aditi analyzed and showed the data in a tabular form. However, she feels that the table is not very easy to understand. According to her, data looks better when shown in a picture format. So in skill time 3 we have created a pivot table. And Aditi is not satisfied with that table because it is little bit difficult to understand. So she decided to create a chart. Okay. So she decided to create a chart. Look at the chart made by Aditi for analyzing the cost of items she has purchased. Such a chart is called a bar chart. Here it shows a comparisons of the quantity and the cost of the different return gifts. Okay, so here she created a bar chart. This is the bar chart. Okay, and then this is the rate of the return gifts. Okay, rate of the return gifts and the quantity of the items. Here x-axis quantity of the items and y-axis cost of the different gifts, and this is called legends. These are called legends. Quantity, price per piece and amount, these are called legends. Okay, so here which icon is used to add a pivot chart? Which icon is used to create a pivot chart? This is the icon. Okay, this is the icon to create a pivot chart. And next, Aditi wants to find the total amount she needs on every date. Which field does she need to use to insert the amount, and which field does she need to use to insert the date? So here we need to drag the items from the available fields into row fields and data fields. So here I am using the row field as amount and date in the data field. Okay, date in the data field. Okay, to create a pivot chart, which options help us give a name to a chart? So here you can give a title. You can give a title for a chart, and next you can give a subtitle, and here also you mention the x-axis, y-axis, and this is the legend. To display the legend, it may be left, right, top or bottom. If I click right, then it will display in the right side of the chart. Once I click left, then the legend will apply on the left side. Okay, so here first we need to select our table and then click the icon pivot chart. Next you need to drag the fields from the available fields into row fields and data fields, and last you need to give the title for your chart, subtitle, x-axis, y-axis, and also you need to mention the legend also. Okay, thank you.